Introduction. If you're over 50 and noticing little brown spots appearing on your hands, face, or chest, don't worry. You're not alone. These are what we call age spots or liver spots, and they're a very common part of aging. But I know how frustrating it can be one day you look in the mirror, and your skin starts showing every story of your life, every year that's passed. Well, today I have good news for you. There is a natural, proven, and affordable way to fade these spots without expensive laser treatments or imported creams. In fact, the main ingredient costs less than $20 and is available in any pharmacy. But before we jump into the remedies, let's understand why these spots appear in the first place. Because when you know the cause, you can fight them the right way. Why age spots appear? Age spots usually come from three main causes. 1. Years of sun exposure. Every time we stepped out without sunscreen, UV rays quietly built up damage inside our skin. 2. Hormonal changes, especially in women after menopause. Hormone shifts trigger uneven pigment activity. 3. The natural aging process. Over time, the pigment-producing cells called melanocytes become irregular, forming darker patches. Now, here's the good part. Age spots are usually harmless. They don't hurt, they don't itch, and they're not dangerous. But yes, they can affect how we feel when we look at ourselves. So today, I'll share 5 powerful, natural strategies, all proven by science, and time to fade those spots safely and effectively. Remedy number 1. Castor oil, nature's secret spot eraser. Let's start with the remedy I consider the most powerful of all, and it's something your grandmother probably used. Castor oil. This thick golden oil comes from the castor bean plant and is rich in a compound called ricinoleic acid. Don't worry about the name, what matters is what it does. It reduces inflammation and soothes the skin. It stimulates new cell growth, helping your skin renew itself faster. It penetrates deeply, reaching the layers where pigment is trapped and working from the inside out. How to use it? Every night before bed, wash your skin well. Take 1 tiny drop just the size of a rice grain. Gently massage it onto each spot for about 30 seconds in circular motions. Leave it overnight. No need to rinse. Repeat every single night. Consistency is key. Don't expect miracles overnight. These spots took years to form. But within 4 to 6 weeks, you'll notice visible lightening, smoother texture, and a natural glow returning to your skin. Remedy number 2. Lemon plus apple cider vinegar, used the right way. Now, this second method can be used alongside or alternated with castor oil. You'll need just 2 ingredients already in your kitchen: fresh lemon juice and apple cider vinegar. Lemon contains vitamin C and natural acids that gently exfoliate and brighten the skin. Apple cider vinegar adds antibacterial protection and balances the skin's pH. Together, they create a powerful natural lightener. How to apply? Mix equal parts of fresh lemon juice and apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon each. Dip a cotton ball and apply it only on the dark spots, not the whole face. Leave it for 10 minutes only, then rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Important: do this only at night, never during the day. Lemon makes your skin photosensitive, meaning sunlight after application can worsen the spots or cause burns. So at night only, and the next morning, always apply sunscreen. Use this method 2 to 3 times a week, and if your skin feels irritated, dilute it a bit more or take a short break. Remedy number 3. Aloe vera, the skin healer. If your skin is sensitive or easily irritated, this method is for you. Aloe vera has been used for thousands of years, even Cleopatra swore by it. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that calm inflammation, hydrate deeply, promote cell regeneration, gently lighten pigmentation. How to use it? If you have a fresh aloe leaf, cut it open and scoop out the gel. Apply the gel directly on the spots, gently massage, and leave it overnight. Wash it off in the morning. You can also buy pure aloe gel from a pharmacy, just make sure it's natural and alcohol-free. Pro tip: for a stronger effect, mix 1 tablespoon of aloe gel with 3 to 4 drops of castor oil. Apply it nightly. This duo hydrates, renews, and brightens your skin beautifully. Step number 4. Sunscreen, the golden rule. Now, Listen carefully, this step is non-negotiable. If you skip sunscreen, all your efforts will go to waste. Every time sunlight hits your skin, those pigment cells get triggered again, making spots darker or causing new ones to appear. So even if it's cloudy, winter, or you're just going out for a few minutes, apply sunscreen every single day. The right way. Use SPF 30 or higher. SPF 50 is even better. Apply generously on your face, neck, hands, and chest. Reapply every 2 hours if you're outdoors. And yes, you still need sunlight for vitamin D, but 15 minutes on your arms and legs in the early morning is enough. Protecting your skin is always worth it. Step number 5. Feed your skin from the inside out. Your diet has a huge impact on how your skin looks and heals. When your body lacks vitamins or antioxidants, it shows up as spots, dullness, or uneven tone. So, here's what to eat more of. Vitamin C, oranges, lemons, bell peppers, strawberries, broccoli. Vitamin E, almonds, sunflower seeds, avocado, olive oil. Zinc, lentils, beans, fish, chicken, pumpkin seeds. Beta-carotene, carrots, papaya, mango, pumpkin, sweet potatoes. And of course, drink at least 2 liters of water daily to keep your skin hydrated and supple. 2 bonus helpers. Green tea. 1 to 2 cups a day for powerful antioxidants that fight aging and pigmentation. Turmeric. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric with warm water, a pinch of black pepper, and a few drops of olive oil. Take this in the morning for glowing, even-toned skin. Bonus tip. Before applying any remedy, lightly spray rose water or thermal water on your skin. This opens pores and helps treatments absorb faster, a small trick that makes a big difference. When to see a doctor, most age spots are harmless, but stay alert. If a spot changes quickly, bleeds, itches, or has uneven borders or multiple colors, see a dermatologist immediately. Better safe than sorry. Conclusion. Age spots are part of our life story, but they don't have to define how we feel. With consistent care and the natural methods I shared today, your skin can look clear, bright, and youthful again. If you found this helpful, subscribe to this channel for more natural health and skin tips. And if you know someone struggling with age spots, share this video, it could truly help them. When you start seeing results, come back and share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. Take care of yourself and remember, nature always provides what we need. Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult your doctor or a qualified health professional before trying any remedies or lifestyle changes discussed in this video. Your health and safety are our priority.